किछु जन्मे ने किछु मरे, आपन चलित आप ही करे। आवन जावन दृष्ट अनदृष्ट, आज्ञाकारी तारी सब श्रेष्ठ, तारी सब श्रेष्ठ। आपे आप सगल में आप, अनेक जुगत रच थाप उथाप, अनेक जुगत रच थाप उथाप। अविनाशी नाही किछ खंड, तारण तार रहो ब्रह्मांड। अविनाशी नाही किछ खंड, तारण तार रहो ब्रह्मांड। अलख पे पुरख परताप, अलख पे पुरख परताप। आप जपाए तो नानक जान, आप जपाए तो नानक जान। अलख पेव पुरख परताप, आप जपाए तो नानक जान। न किछ जन्म न किछ मरे, आपन चलित आप ही करे। आवन जावन दृष्ट अनदृष्ट, आज्ञाकारी तारी सब श्रेष्ठ। आपे आप सगल में आप, अनेक जुगत रच थाप उथाप। अविनाशी नाही किछ खंड, तारण तार रहो ब्रह्मांड। अलख पे पुरख परताप, अलख पेव पुरख परताप। आप जपाए तो नानक जान, अलख पे पुरख परताप। आप जपाए तो नानक जान। न किस जन्मे न किछ मरे, आपन चलित आप ही करे। आवन जावन दृष्ट अनदृष्ट, आज्ञाकारी तारी सब श्रेष्ठ। आपे आप सगल में आप, अनेक जुगत रच थाप थाप। अविनाशी नाही किछ खंड, तारण तार रहो ब्रह्मांड। अलख पेव पुरख परताप, आप जपाए तो नानक जान। न किछ जन्मे न किछ मरे, आपन चलित आप ही करे। आवन जावन दृष्ट अनदृष्ट, आज्ञाकारी तारी सब श्रेष्ठ। आपे आप सगल में आप, अनेक जुगत रच थाप उथाप। अविनाशी नाही किछ खंड, तारण तार रहो ब्रह्मांड। अलख अपेव पुरख परताप, आप जपाए तो नानक जाप। अलख अपेव पुरख परताप, आप जपाए तो नानक जाप। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। वेलकम टू द चैनल। So today we are on the 6th stanza of the 14th Ashtapadi of Sukhmani Sahib part. So Babaji says, Neh kich janme, neh kich mare, apan chalit aap hi kare. So birth and death is only our individual perspective. No? For Paramatma, for example, if there is a river, the bubbles come, the bubbles go, but the river flows. Waves coming and waves going, vanishing matters not. The river is still there. Sea is there, no? Waves come up, waves go, but that doesn't matter to the sea. Sea's existence of the sea, existence of the river remains as such, irrespective of whether some bubble arises or whether some bubble dissolves back into the water. So this is our narrow perspective, death and birth. But Paramatma was always there, is always there, would always be there. And in physics, something very similar they try to explain. Conservation of matter. Matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. So the thing is that things vanish or things are born or things are dead is our perspective, which perhaps is so narrow. So Babaji says, Apan chalit aap hi kare. So his ways are done by him. So it is difficult to comprehend because we are his creation. We are too small part of Paramatma. So we cannot comprehend. Avan javan drisht andrisht agyakari tari sab srisht. So there is Srishti that we can see, but there is also Srishti, the microscopic organisms. So small organisms, which we cannot see with our eyes, but we can see with microscopic scope. And there are organisms which maybe are not visible even through the microscope. They are so tiny, undrisht. So Babaji says that whether it is drisht or undrisht, Aman, Javan, Drisht, Andrisht. So we come, we go. Whether we are big or whether we are too tiny, but we are under his command. Agyakari tari sab srisht. Hukme bahar na koi, hukme andar sabko. So Babaji says, no, everybody is under the hukum of Paramatma. Nanak bahar hukum na koi. Even a leaf won't move unless there is Paramatma's command, because wind and all the things are under his command. Agyakari tari sab srisht. Ape aap, sagal mein aap. So he himself is with himself, means in the creation also, and living, non-living, everything. It is only Ekamkar. Ape aap, sagal mein aap. Anek jugat rach, thap uthap. He creates and then he maybe we can say that destroys the creation at his own sweet will. Ape aap, sagal mein aap. Anek jugat rach, thap uthap. He makes the thing come into existence and then he makes the things go away. Maybe big kingdoms also, they arise, then they get ruined also because of his command. Abhinasi nahi kich khand taran tar reho brahmand. So he is one, he is Ekamkar. There is no portions of Paramatma. Nahi kich khand taran tar reho brahmand. He is supporting the whole cosmos. Alak ape purkh pratap. His force, Pratap, his effects are cannot be even written by us, cannot be even understood or comprehended by us because we are so small. Aap japaye, ta namak jap. When God blesses, he gives such wisdom that we start worshipping, we start singing the praises of Paramatma, the Creator Lord. Otherwise, he will keep us in illusion all the time. So when he blesses, we come to this conclusion that it is all Ekamkar, and we start praising Paramatma. Aap japai. So even meditation or this tendency to meditate Paramatma's holy name is not in our hands. Our orientation, mental orientation, our disposition is all under his command. Drisht, undrisht. Our mentality, our internal software cannot be seen. That is undrisht, invisible, but that also is under Paramatma's command. So this is the theme of the Shabad. May Vaheguruji bless us, and we can continue with a part of Sukhmani Sahib in a similar way. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।